up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about something, miter saws. Personally, I don't think miter saws are that fun.
They're not fun. They're not a fun tool. They're not sexy tool. They're like a tape measure, like a level. They're not sexy at all, but they're definitely...
That should be our new name, sexy tools.
We should. So, but they're actually such a big necessity in terms of, any type of woodworking, framing. I mean, there's all sorts of different things. So that's why.
You know how you just almost messed up saying necessity?
Yes.
Dude, there's just words like that. Like,
there are, like
I
dog.
think I'm okay with necessity, but Gustafsson, dude.
Yeah, you kept telling me that. Like, whose name is that?
He doesn't get it. But have you guys ever seen a movie where the last name's name is... Oh, Gustafsson, Fargo.
No, I never saw Fargo.
What?
I know, right?
You never saw Fargo?
No.
Oh my God.
There's a lot of movies I have not seen, guys.
Wow.
I'm just not, there's a lot of catching up I have to do.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that just blows my mind, but okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let's just get back to the video.
Can we still be friends, though?
Yeah.
Alright.
But now we gotta stop because of the compressor, so we're gonna pause so that compressor to stop. Oh, here we go. Alright, the compressor ended. Yeah, you guys, we got a shop next door, Manny and Jose. They do some
mechanics.
Work over there. Yeah.
Good guys, if you haven't seen them.
On certain days.
That's true. That is definitely true.
No, I'm kidding.
That's
They're
true.
great guys, dude. We love them.
Yeah.
We're happy to have them as neighbors, except for when they park in my parking spots all the time. And
then stuff gets a little bit crazy around here.
I know this is about miter saws, but we're gonna just talk. One day I had put up these signs because I got so mad at them parking in those spots. Yeah. I put up these signs. I spent all day.
No. Let's start over. He wanted the signs. He made me go with him over to Ace that I didn't even want to do. Right. We had to get all this stuff, mix the concrete, which I didn't even feel like doing.
But he took over and did it. You took over. I just said the idea, and you took over and did all the work.
Because for 2 months I've been hearing it.
Yeah.
2 months, So and I get where you're coming from too, so it's not that,
Right. And they thought it'd be funny to move the sides, which they did. Eric went to leave work late one night, and as he's pulling out, he took a right, and it went down his door, and the bare metal of the sign scratched his whole entire side of his door.
So something I didn't even want, now I have to deal with. It's, welcome to my world.
Tools and action. But hey, at least you got a Metabo HPT miter saw.
Yes.
What HPT? Hitachi power tools. High power tools,
High performance tools.
High performance tools. Happy people tools.
Happy people tools. It could be happy people tools.
Doesn't matter. As long as it says HPT, that's the Metabo that you want. Why?
I like it, man.
Hitachi.
I like it.
I know. I gotta go back. We just did a video. Did we just do a video talking about this?
We did, yeah. We did, but it was for the drill and the impact.
Oh, but we didn't...
We have to let the battery charge.
Yeah, we didn't even have to put that one up. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
so anyways, we're going to come up with a video that's going to be our #1 video. It's just going to have some spiral screening thing, and it's just going to say in nice, soothing voices, Metabo HPT, Hitachi power tool, high power tool, HPT.
Constant, right?
Yeah,
exactly.
for an hour. It'll be our #1 video.
Yeah.
It will. Eric... Okay, so we know about Metabo HPT, but why this saw? What is it? Why this? Why should I pick this over any other saw, or shouldn't I pick this?
You know why I actually like this? Because I've been doing a house project for a long time, but the reason that I love it, you have the MultiVolt system right there. Now for me, the MultiVolt system on a drill and stuff like that, I'm not really, all up on. But for a miter saw, like a high performance tool or a high demand tool, it is. Because this is nice. You can plug it in and you don't have to worry about changing the batteries. If you want to move it around, it's light enough to move around, throw up in some sawhorses, use the battery, whatever you want to do. So I love that option.
Okay, but I mean, it being a hybrid, does that mean it's got some disadvantages or no?
Not that I can see with it being hybrid. I honestly don't know.
Right.
I don't see one. Yeah, I don't see one. I like the fact that as a user, I can pick how I want to use it.
Right.
Where other ones you're just stuck. Okay, it's battery. Okay, I don't have another charged battery. Oh well, you gotta wait.
Yeah, no, that's good. So what cool features? One thing I did notice about this is the smoothness of the slide. I know that's one of the first things I do is when I pick up a tool or touch a tool. I just want to know how it feels and just the operation of it. And I thought this slide system was really nice, worked very well for me. The D handle, sideways D handle, worked very well.
Yeah, I like it better than the ones that are turned the other way. I think just because I'm so used to using D handles. But I guess the D handle's still the other way as a D handle.
Isn't there a saw out there that you can turn though?
I think there is. I think you're right.
Yeah. I don't know now that you say it. Honestly, you guys, I don't use miter saws that much. It's not really my thing. I'm more into automotive style tools, drills, impacts, ratchets, stuff like that. But I think that, just from using this from my DIY standpoint on using miter saws, I thought it was definitely a good saw. I like the cutting capacities that you were mentioning.
Yeah, you can put up to 10 inches on it. It's a 10 inch saw, and we're able to cut, you know.
We cut the I-beam.
Cut the I-beam. Actually, you know what? We did. Yeah, so you can actually do a 2x12.
Yeah.
We can do two. Yeah.
12 so inch. That was pretty good, and then just all the little features that it has on it.
It's got all the features, just like every other miter saw, where it's got the the bevel, you got the miter, you got all that stuff where you can lock it, you can do the trench cut, you can do all that. I don't know. I don't really. That's the same across the board. One thing I do like about the Hitachi though is because this is obviously a tool that you're moving around from place to place. You're gonna drop it, you're gonna bump it into things. Things are gonna get untrue on that. They have a lot of different ways to actually easily make adjustments. So if something is out of true, and you'll find that honestly, if you're doing like any type of finish carpentry or anything like that, you're gonna see those little differences, and it's easy to make the change. So I like that aspect of it because I've had some miter saws where you're like, where am I making this change? How do I do this? You know.
Cool.
So.
Cool. Favorite or what's the warranty?
That's a good question. I don't remember this. 5 years.
Yep.
2 on the battery and 1 on the charger, right?
Oh, I don't know. Wow. That was crazy.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you know that for sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
I'm pretty
sure. So we're pretty sure. Welcome to Tools in Action, you guys.
Yeah, we're pretty sure about things.
Yeah,
or we're,
we're just guys talking tools. That's it, you guys. There's plenty of other channels out there that will give you a sales pitch and run through the saw, give you every exact stats. But hey, man, when you're in the store buying the thing, are you looking at these exact stats, these reviews, it's like that? Yeah, granted, some of them are super detailed. And when I'm really into something, I love watching them too. But we're the kind of channel that just throws it on your radar. If you like it, maybe, we'll give you some information on it. Might not all be
well, yeah, but you know what though?
Correct,
so many things now are so close together. Like when you have 2 impacts next to each other, you know what I mean? They're so close to being the specs and everything nowadays. Where there used to be kind of a big difference.
It's like Ford, Chevy pickup trucks. What's your favorite? I know guys that love Rams.
Yes.
I know guys that love Fords. I love Fords. I know guys that love Chevys. And everything.
You know guys who hate Fords too.
Right. Yeah. But everybody bitches about a certain thing. Like me personally, the Rams. I love the Rams. I've actually been looking at Rams.
I know.
Dude, they're nice.
I didn't realize how pricey they are though.
Yeah, the same price as F-150s.
I didn't realize how pricey they were.
But the only thing that drives me crazy that I never want to do is that dial shifter. I can't stand it.
Yes, I don't like that. I don't like that.
Chevys,
see, there you go. I got you going on that now. It's out. It's out.
Oh, it's out. Yeah. Chevys, dude. I don't like the dash. Looks like a 1990 Chevy.
Yeah, I don't like the center console on it either. I don't know why. Like, I love the outside of the Chevy, especially like the GMC Denali. Looks absolutely beautiful. But yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm stuck with Ford, dude, and it sucks because right now we're in this twist year where we're going into the 2021. It's got some new things, but my lease is up in like 2 months, and the 2021s aren't going to be out yet, and I kind of want a Raptor, and it's like, man, dude, seriously, I'm on like my 4th or 5th.
What's a Raptor go for?
Same with, dude, don't even talk about it.
Yeah, it's got to be expensive.
Yeah, don't even talk.
They're nice looking because I like.
I gotta talk to my boss because I'm gonna have to get a raise.
Hey, your boss is on vacation.
Huh?
Your boss is on vacation.
Okay, you're looking, dude, $1,200 a month, $80,000.
What?
$1,200 a month for 72 months, 3%.
Even a basic pickup truck nowadays, I believe, is over $35,000 for a basic bottom of the line one.
Yeah. I think you're right. But isn't it crazy, you guys, when you think about like pickup trucks and stuff, how much money is in the more expensive trucks? I mean, technically, what is a Raptor, right, compared to just a regular F-150? It's basically got a different engine, exhaust, some suspension components, and some switches, and wider fenders. But that's worth $20,000-$30,000.
That's insane. That's crazy.
I don't know, man. Stanley the Dirt Monkey told me less than one time. He said, "Man, always buy 0 options because it's less to go wrong." But I did that once, and oh my god, I hated that truck. I went to the stereo shop. I tried to get Sirius XM put into it. They put it in. It cost me a buttload of money, and then it didn't work. Dude, it sucked. I like options.
They're nice.
They're nice. But I like Jeeps too. Jeeps are cool. But we're getting a cool shop. We're getting a cool something for the shop. We don't know what it is yet. It might be a Jeep, but we're getting a cool shop project truck that we're gonna drive around for a little while, fix up, show you guys.
We are. That'll be cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing to do with the Metabo, but you guys, Metabo HPT. Say it with me. HPT. What is it? Happy People Tools.
Happy People.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.